Hey, it's Tom ZEEB'S with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about one of the key components to getting your marketing right. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. One of the big keys to marketing is getting your message to market match correct. Getting the right message in front of the right people. So the right words you say in front of the right market. Now, a lot of brands, there's these big international brands, take Prada for example, will spend a lot of money on marketing their brand to the right people. But what happens if you put that same brand, you put that same message literally out in the middle of nowhere? I mean, look at it here, right? I think this is meant to be a joke or it's meant to be art. So it's a small Prada store in the middle of nowhere in West Texas. I can stand in the middle of the street and there's nothing going on, and this Prada store is literally the only thing for miles. What happens when that happens to you? You get your message to marketing match wrong, you get no response. How many purses do you think they're going to sell here? How many fancy shoes are they going to wind up selling here? The answer is none, because they got their message to market match wrong. Now, as real estate investors, you get that message to market match correct. You start sending, people going through the divorce, send them a message having a divorce. Out-of-state absentee owners, send them a message having to do with the hassles and the headaches of owning a property and managing it remotely when you live out of state. Tired landlords, send them a message about being sick and tired of tenants and toilets after they've come out of eviction court yet again for the third time that year. That's getting the message to market match correct. So there's many times you have a great product, you have a great offer, you have a great message, like they do, but if you put it in the wrong spot and you don't match that message to the market, your response rate plummets to absolutely zero. So always pay attention to make sure you're putting the right message in front of the right people at the right time and in the right location. That's my tip for today from Marfa, West Texas. It's Tom ZEEB'S for Traction Real Estate Mentors, signing off.